How to use Chat GPT by OpenAI for beginners step by step. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I will be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can start with the Chat GPT. So first thing first, you need to visit the openai.com because Chat GPT owned by the OpenAI. And as you can see here, this is the main homepage of OpenAI. And to access the Chat GPT, you just need to scroll down, and under the featured, as you can see here, we have the Chat GPT. So just click on that and it will redirect you to this page. So to get started, you just need to click Try Chat GPT and just provide your email or your Gmail to connect with Chat GPT. So once you connected your email, you can now access the Chat GPT, and this is the main homepage. So over here on the left-hand side, you will see a new chat. And so if you just open the Chat GPT for the first time, you don't have this one. These are the history of the chat bot that I created before. So as you can see down here, we have the option to clear all this conversation. And over here, you have your dark mode to change the mode here. So right now we have the light mode. So let me just go ahead and click the dark mode. And I like this kind of dashboard. So with ChatGPT, you can request anything here, like for example, write an essay, blog, business email, etc. And you can also ask some question here. It can be personal question, business question, and ChatGPT will answer your question. And if you have personal question over here, or if you need advice, ChatGPT will also give you some good advices. So let me just go ahead and show you the first thing that I like to do here. So for example, if you will be requesting for ChatGPT to write you something, so let me just go ahead and write a business email to my boss requesting for salary raise. And then just click enter. And with that, ChatGPT will create you a business email. So let's just give it a second. So now we have the subject line here, request for salary increase. And here's the body of the email. So as you can see, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to request a salary increase for my current position as your position. I've been working for this company for this time and have consistently met and exceeded my performance, goals, and job responsibilities. And as you can see, this is a good email that you can use and send it to your boss. So that's how ChatGPT can help you to write a good email. And if this email is too long for you, you can also request to make it short. So just type in make it short and click enter. And with that, ChatGPT will shorten your business email. So here, as you can see, it's still writing. And here's the short version of this email over here. And also, of course, if you want to open another chat, so just click new chat. And over here, let's just say you want to write an essay. So just type in write me 300 words essay about artificial intelligence. And then just click enter. So here, as you can see, I first type in what I want GPT to do, which is to write me. And then I have here the length of the writing, and of course the type of writing, which is essay, and the topic. And over here, you can also add some style of the writing. For example, you want it to be fun. Then just type it here, like about artificial intelligence, make it fun, something like that. So it's still writing, but that's how ChatGPT works. So over here, let me just go ahead and show you some other example. So here, as you can see, we have an article about how to work and travel at the same time. And if you are interested to also write this kind or the same article, but you don't want it to be like 100% the same, so you can just copy this one and go back to your Chat GPT. And over here, you can just go ahead and type in rephrase. And then just add some quotation. And then just click enter. All right. And with that, as you can see here, ChatGPT is now trying to rephrase this article that you just copy and paste. So you just need to wait for the ChatGPT to finish rephrasing this article. So with ChatGPT, you can also make use this one like Grammarly. It can also correct your grammar and your spelling. So you just need to ask GPT to act as a professional English and grammar corrector and click enter. And let's see what ChatGPT will respond. So here we have, I am happy to assist you with any English and grammar corrections you need. Please provide with me the text that you'd like me to review, and I will do my best to make any necessary corrections. So you just need to type the text here and they will correct it. So let's just go ahead and get some text that I prepare for this one. So I will just copy this and then I will just paste it here. So for example, that one, and then I will just click enter. And with that, ChatGPT will try to improve my English. So here, as you can see, I have very simple English over here. So I have here, this year I will focus on what I like, and the replace it, this year I will focus on my interest and do things that make me happy. I plan to travel alone and make new friends, explore new foods, and immerse myself. So immerse myself in a different cultures. And as I can see here, I just enter explore new foods and cultures. So that's how ChatGPT can help you improve your writing inside this platform. So ChatGPT can also answer your personal questions. So for example, you will be asking here, what should I do to make myself happy? And with that, ChatGPT will answer your questions and give you good advice. So you can follow this one. There are many things you can do improve your happiness. Here are a few suggestions. So here are some of the suggestions here. And here's the other thing that you can do inside the Chat GPT. So for example, you have a long article here and you don't want to read this article. So you can just summarize it using the Chat GPT. So you just need to make use of this code, which is the TL and then semicolon, DR, and semicolon again. This stands for too long, don't read. And then just add some quotation and then just paste your article, quotation, and then just click enter. And with that, ChatGPT will summarize this one for you. So let's just give it a moment. And as you can see here, ChatGPT will summarize this long article for you. And the last thing that I'd like to show you is let's just click new chat. So if you are going to do a summary of the book, you can just easily make use of this code, make an outline for this book, and then just name the title of the book, and also you can add the author's name. It will give you an outline from introduction, chapter 1, 2, and 3. And if you want to read more about chapter 1, you can just request to elaborate chapter 1, and with that, ChatGPT will give you the summary of the chapter 1. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today. Thank you for watching.